Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Mr. Webtalk with you. If you have not created an account on Webtalk yet, in the video description you will find links for registration. Choose any of 3 links and create your account. The instructions how to sign up on Webtalk and how to complete your profile are on my channel. When you get there, you will be able to start practicing English and earning money along the way. To start making money, I will tell you how to enroll the Other Rewards program. You have already completed your account, you see such page, click on the menu in the top right corner, then click on the Cash Rewards program button written in green. On this page you will see such picture. Our account is completed and there is an offer to join the Other Rewards program, and it is totally for free. Click on the blue button, you will be taken to Webtalk Cash Rewards and Affiliate Agreement page. Read this page. Below you will see this small square. Click on it and in the box below write your name in English. Confirm the agreement by clicking on this blue button. This page will be opened next, but skip it now, clicking on the button on the top right corner back to Webtalk. The news feed will be opened, but we need to check our status, and therefore just click menu, click on Cash Rewards program, and you see this picture. Our profile is filled up on 2/3, but the profile status and the reward program buttons are not active. Free account status must be look like this. Now you can use this site for free and earn money. About Pro account I will tell you someday, but to buy Pro account or not is your personal business. Let me remind you that in order to join Webtalk you will find links in the video description. Choose any of these 3 links, sign up, and you will be able to earn money as well as practice English for free. Subscribe to my channel, share with friends, do like please. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck, see you on Webtalk.